Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel In-House Creator. Today we will be going to Bhimashankar. Today while we were having breakfast at Sai Sagar, one of our friends Vishal Patil had come from his long Diwali vacations. He suggested let's apply for one more leave and let's leave for Bhimashankar right now. We liked his suggestion. It took us couple of hours to get ready and by 1:30 we left for Bhimashankar. We started our journey from our home in Sus. कोणाला बऱ्यापैकी माहिती आहे? तुम्हाला रस्ता माहिती आहे ना ह्याच्या पुणे सिटी पुणे चौकांचा चुकल्यावर जाऊ We took a halt at around 2:50 near Dehu Road at Pappuchi Misal. Everyone was hungry and most of us decided to have a plate of misal. The misal was tasty. They had also provided buttermilk with the misal. As everyone was refueled, we left for Bhimashankar. The owner of Pappuchi Misal suggested us to go via Manchar. None of us started the Google map. Eventually we took a wrong turn and ended up traveling through Ghat Road. This road was a single lane. It took us around 5 hours to reach Bhimashankar. Even I would suggest you to travel from Manchar Road. But if you like nature and scenic beauties, I would suggest you go by this road. At around 5 o'clock, we discovered a very beautiful spot. As I am a sunsetophile person, I was overwhelmed. We had a great time chit-chatting, teasing and making fun of each other on this route. Around 6 o'clock, everyone was tired and needed a break. We stopped at a humble place, Hotel Trimurti, on the way to Bhimashankar. Vishal, Navnath, Rohit and Amrapali had some tea and I bought some chips. As we reached Bhimashankar parking area, we saw a bus blocking the road. It took around 40 minutes to clear the traffic. Luckily we got VIP darshan from the backside of the temple. Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahakal. After taking Lord Mahadev's darshan, we took the blessings from Ram Mandir as well, which is just at the exit of the Bhimashankar temple. Around 7:45 we left for Pune. By 10:30 everyone was hungry. We had our dinner at Hotel Sai Sagar in Bhosari. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.